Okay, this is explanation for file 2B. What's his number? In this file, we are going to talk about WH and how questions would be. In previous classes, we talked about questions and obviously yes or no questions. In this case, we are going to talk about different type of questions for personal information. So first we start with a question and a verb. Who is or whose Tom? Okay, answer, he's a friend from work. Then you have what's or what is your email. John G at gmail.com. Where are you from? Okay, normal question. When's, or in this case, when is the concert? How are you? Fine, thanks. How old is she? She is 24. So let's focus on what each question is for. So we have who, that is for people. What, that is for general things, objects, general information. We have where, that is for place. We have when, that it's for time. And we have how, then in this case it's to ask for some information. Okay, this is something you need to remember. Contractions with question words. You can ask questions with what's, where's, when's, and how's. Okay, so when the last word is object or something, and there you can use contractions, but don't use contractions if in a question when the last word is a pronoun, okay, or a subject. He, she, it, you, we, they. Okay. Remember also this, the word order. In affirmative, we have subject, verb, like here. They are American. In questions, we have verb and subject. Are they American? And the question mark. WH questions, or this type of questions, we have the question word, the verb, and the subject. Where are they from?